Hey, how's it going? This is Turkish Coffee. Thanks for watching. Today we having fun with IPsec. So let's get the routers. Let's pick the endpoints, one here and one there, and let's do the cabling. Okay, all right. I think this can be good. All right, let's see. Okay, all the interfaces are visible apart from this. Maybe this is better. Okay. All right, better. Okay, so basically the idea is building a logical tunnel between this router here and this router here. Why logical? Because physically the traffic is still going through this one, which is, let's say, the ISP. Okay, R1 R2, yeah, and here we have the like the two, let's say, we can imagine them as, I don't know, like branches, for example. Yeah, let me just get this one I like. Okay, so this might be New York and this might be LA. Yeah, so we want to build an encrypted and secure channel between our two branches to securely communicate and do stuff. Yeah, to securely access stuff, let's say. Okay, and IPsec is one of the most utilized tools to do that. Yeah, previously I use it. I've done it partially on in FortiGate. I'm sorry, and but now I want to learn it in Cisco. You probably know why. So what we're doing is created as a SAD an encrypted channel between this router here and this, though the traffic is still going through physically this one, because we can say it's the ISP. Yeah. Okay, so let's jump in. Basic configuration, 254. All right. Okay. Okay. Good. Let's now bring up the interface. Let's have some fun. Enable conft host R1. Yeah. Interface G00, IP address 192.168.1.254.255.255.255.0. No shut, and bang 192.168.1.1. Okay, this is working, and it's the same here. Enable conft host R2. Yeah. Then interface is G01 G01, IP address 192.168.2.254, 255, 255, 255.0. No shut and ping 192.168.1.1. I'm sorry. Apologies. It's 1.2.1. My bad. Okay. 2.1. Right. Sorry. It's a Saturday, August the 15th for everybody. Okay. So let's see. Yeah. All right. So I mistook the IP. Yeah. So I configured the wrong IP on the endpoint. That's why I wasn't able to ping it. But this is good. Yeah. So you can. This is all real stuff. You know, it's not fake with copy pasting stuff. I don't like it. You know, you don't learn anything like that. Yeah. Doing that. Okay. Good. Now we have to configure these two interfaces, this one, yeah, these two other interfaces, which is like a very basic type of like configuration. And after that we go into the IPsec settings. So jump in again. Okay, conf-t. Let me just see. This is here. Okay, G0, 01, yeah, G0. All right. Interface G01. IP address. We can go for 10.10.10.1, 255, 255, 255.0. No shut. All right. And then we can IP address. We can do the following. IP address. Give me a second. I don't want to do a mistake here. IP address. This is okay. No IP route. 000. 000. No, 255. I guess, and we send it over to this interface here, which we haven't configured at the moment, but it's going to be .2. So 10.10.10.2. Yeah, I think. Not sure this is okay. I think this is it. Let me check this 1 second. Yeah. All right. So basically this means we are creating a default route, and basically we tell in the router all the traffic you don't know, you don't recognize, you just send it over here. Okay, good. Okay. Then we do end, we do right, and that's it. Yeah, let me see, show IP interface brief. Okay. Okay, this is up 0 0 0 1. Okay, this is down. It's actually down just because the other side is down. Yeah, but at the in the very moment we bring this up, the G01 also on this side here is gonna be okay. Okay, good. So yeah, let's see. Okay, no. Enable conf-t host ISP. and then we start giving numbers. Okay, interface G00, IP address 10.10.10.2, 255.255.255.0. No shot. All right, as you can see, is up. Yeah. We can also do this. Look, ping 10.10.10.1. Okay, so it's working. So we now ping in the G00 to the G01. Okay, so this is the 2.2, 10.10.10.2, and this is 10.10.10.1. Yeah, so we able to ping. Good, very good. And again, we go in conf-t and we say interface G01, and we say IP address 2 1. All right, and then we say 255.255.255.0. No shot. Okay, and right. Okay, good. So now we here, and we can do this. Conf-t. We go in the interface G00, interface G00. Yeah, and we give the address, IP address 10.10.11.2, 255.255.255.0. Shut. Now it's up and right, and say ping 10.10.11.1. Okay, it's working. Yeah. And again, we are able to ping from this one, from the G00 to this. Yeah, we haven't done the same. Oh, sorry, and this one still have to do one thing on the other 11.2. Okay, I still have to configure the default route here. Conf-t IP IP route. So on R2 again, as we have done on R1, we tell in the router all the traffic you don't know, you don't recognize, you send it over here. Yeah, good. So IP route, it's 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 10.10.11.1. I guess this is how to do it. Let's see. We'll see in 10 minutes if everything works. Okay, good. Think everything is fine. Now we have done the basics. Yeah, the very basics of all this. Again, we want to create a tunnel, a logical tunnel, logical tunnel. Yeah, between R1, so the branch here in New York, to the branch in Los Angeles. And we configuring these two routers specifically on G01 and G00. Yeah. So let's begin. This is kind of there's a lot to do, especially, I mean, what trips me off is basically the license. A license configuration is, I believe, the most difficult one. Not that difficult, but there is I came to know that there is kind of a bug in packet tracer, and yeah, it's kind of a mess doing it. So you have to do a workaround to make it work. But anyway, let's do it. So conf-t license boot module C2900 technology package security ccna. Yeah, so we should, at this point, we should have been prompted with accept all of these and that, but we ain't got nothing. Yeah, so if we do show run, okay, I like it. Do show run, and then you can say include the license. You see it's not there. Even if I do allow me a second, and right, reload. Yes. It's kind of a pain in the A, but anyway, enable show license feature. Okay, so as you can see, is not enabled. Yeah, so there's a trick to do this, and let's do this quickly so we can get into the IPsec actual configuration. I'm sorry, coffee. Just copy pasting the commands, at least this one, just this one. This one's for the whole video, so we can just get into the real IPsec thing. Yeah, we just activating the license and do. You see, now running exactly the same command as before, we were able to get a different outcome. Yeah, so again, do show running config, do show run. Okay, the module is there. All right. We can also do show version, where is it? Cryptographic. Where is it? Okay, next reboot. Yeah, so we have to do the we have to do this, and yeah, write reload. Yes, and we have to do this. After this part, after this like section, we can start configuring the actual IPsec. Okay, enable will show license feature. Yeah, as you can see, it's now enabled. Yeah. Good. Okay, so guys, IPsec, we have to do a few steps here. So first off, you have to know that IPsec, if you want to configure it, there are you have to configure among other things IPsec phase 1, IPsec phase 2. Okay, and this is very important. So basically in the phase 1, we building, like, let's say, a secure relationship between the two routers. Okay, this is very important. In the phase 2 instead, we protect the actual traffic. Okay, after that we have to create an access list. Okay, so we allow traffic from this part to this part of from the two networks, or specific traffic. We create something which is called a crypto map. Okay, and a crypto map is basically a VPN policy which ties everything together. Yeah, and then we apply these things to the WAN. Okay, that's it. There are many commands to run, and we have to be very careful, because just one mistake, everything, can be wrong. It's not working. Okay, so let's begin with IPsec phase 1. All right, so we start with our R1 and we go. Let's go. So crypto, ISACamp or ISACamp, not sure, policy 10. Okay, good. Encryption, AES 256. Okay, I'm gonna explain everything. Yeah, hash, SHA. Just allow me a second. Authentication, pre-share, group 5, exit. So let me explain. Crypto ISACamp, basically we configure in the phase 1. Okay, crypto ISACamp or ISACamp is we configure in phase 1. With Good, very good. Then we go with the hash and the SHA file with the pre-authentication. With the pre-authentication, we tell them, listen, we want to basically share a secret so that if the secret is correct on both sides, we can, you know, start the communication and everything. And group 5, I guess, is for Diffie-Hellman group 5. Yeah. Very good. Now let's go with the very last thing we have to configure here, which is crypto Heisenkamp key. Let's say Peppino, yeah, which is a common Italian name, address, and we'll go for 10.10.11. It was 2. Okay, so this is the in this command I'm showing you, we decide what is the password pre-shared secret here between these two routers. You can put this super secure and this is the other router. Okay, basically is the G00 here. Okay, it's the other end of the tunnel. Okay, good. So the IPsec phase 1 is done. Okay, what we have to do is now configuring phase 2. So we start configuring phase 2 like this: crypto, IPsec, transform set, telling you what it is, New York City, LA, ESP, AES, if I'm not mistaken, 256, ESP, yeah, SHA, and HMAC. Okay, so what is this command? So basically, crypto IPsec transform set, this portion here is we started creating the phase 2. Okay, New York City LA, NYC LA is the name of this transform set. Okay, this is we telling the router to encrypt the data with AES 256, super secure, and this portion here of the command itself is, listen, verify data integrity and authenticity with SHA HMAC. Okay, it's very good. So basically the transform set is how phase 2 protects the traffic. Okay, this is it. Next up we have the access, the ACL. Okay, so access list 100 permit IP. Okay, 100 192.168.10, and then we go for 0.255. I'm gonna explain this in a bit, in a second. 2.0.0.0.255. Yeah, I guess this is all. Basically, we telling the access list, listen, the traffic from this network or this subnet with this subnet mask is allowed. This is the source. Okay, and this is the destination, allowed. Yeah, on this side. And if we do and we have to do the opposite, reverse this on the other side. Yeah. Okay, fantastic. Let's do this. Okay, so again, with if you want to create an access list, you do this: access list 100. This is just a number to identify. Permit, you match allowed this type of traffic. Yeah, IP is basically any type of protocol, ICMP, TCP, UDP, whatever. And this is source network. with its mask, and this is destination network with its mask. Okay, good. And now we opt to configure the crypto map. So again, crypto map is a VPN policy which ties all these things together. All right, so it's crypto map, IPsec map, yeah, 10 IPsec ISACamp. All right, set peer 10.10.11.2, okay, which is going to be this one, yeah, G00. I'm going to check in a moment. Set perfect forward secrecy group 5, set security association lifetime seconds 86,400, not mistaken, yeah. Set transform set New York City LA, match address 100, exit. Okay, let me explain. So crypto map, where is it? The first one, yeah. So the first command here. So we create rule number 10. Okay, we create VPN rule number 10. This is the remote router. Okay, the other side of the tunnel. This is perfect forward secrecy group 5, meaning fresh, let's say fresh new phase 2 keys. Okay, they last 1 day, so they have to be renegotiated like every 24 hours. This is how traffic is encrypted. All right, and this is which traffic is encrypted. Yeah, this traffic. Okay, good. Now we have to upload. Well, just allow me a second. I want to show you the enable do show IP interface brief. Oh, sorry, show IP interface brief. Okay, I wanted to show you this. So the peer in this case is this one, yeah, as this, the G00, you see, 11.2. So this is going to the logical, the not physical but logical tunnel is from here to here, and this G00 is .2, 11.2. That's why we set it there. Okay, now we have to apply everything to the G01. So let's do this. So interface G01, yeah, and we go for crypto map, IPsec map. Okay, exit and copy running config, startup config, yeah, right, everything. Okay, so is there a way to see if everything is working? Yeah, there is. Show crypto map. All right, and then also, let me see, there is a trick. Let me just find a command. I think it's this one. Show crypto ISACamp. Okay, we have to trigger it. Okay, so good. There are a few commands you can check, but I don't want to do this. I don't want to get into this at the moment. Yeah, I mean, you can do this. Look, you can check, yeah, show crypto map. Then you can go for show access list 100. Yeah, then you can also do show running include crypto. Okay, and you can check if everything is fine. Yeah. All right, good. Now we have to do the very same thing on the other router. Okay, here we go, and let's begin. Conf d, yeah. The biggest trick is just this one. Allow this, so conf d. Okay, as we know, sorry. Okay. Hand, right, reload, and we're gonna still have issues as before, so we have to do the tricks we've done on the other router. Okay, enable do show running, sorry, show run. Show running config, include license. As you see, it's not there. Do show version. Again, show version. As you can see, there's nothing. So we have to do the tricks and the things we've done before. Just give me a second here. Conf d. And these are the only commands which I'm copy pasting because I don't want to waste time on activating the license. Yeah, I'm gonna build a GitHub with all these things, so you can then go and check. You see, security ccna is there. We can also do security version. If you're interested, next reboot, yeah, security ccna good. And now we do end, we do write, and we do reload. Yes, good. And we should now be able to see this. Show running. Include what's that? Crypto. Include license. Okay. Should be a show version, show license, feature. Okay. And as you can see, is enabled. Good. So fantastic. What we have to do at this point is, again, jumping into configuring the actual IPsec. So show IP interface brief. Okay, and also we have to do this on the other side. So we good. Show, not SSH, show IP interface brief. Okay, we need this. We need this one, yeah? Sorry. Okay, good. Let's get in. Okay, so again, crypto, sorry, conf d, crypto, IPsec, we now configure in phase 1, policy 10, and encryption, AES 256, hash SHA, authentication, pre-share, group 5, exit. Okay, crypto, IPsec, key, Popino, address. The other address is this one. Okay, this is the other side of the tunnel. 10.10.10.1, right? Good. And that's it. We have already explained all the commands here. If you're interested, but basically, but I can also tell you again one last time here. Basically, crypto IPsec camp is we configure in the phase 1. Yeah. The key. This is the basically the secret, and this is the other part of the tunnel. Okay. That's it. So phase 1 done. Next we have to do the phase 2. Okay, phase 2 we do this: crypto IPsec transform set New York City LA ESP AES 256 ESP shop and HMAC. Okay, and again, this is we create in the phase 2 for the IPsec. Yeah. New York LA is the name of the transfer set. ESP AES is 256 is encrypting data with AES 256, which is a super strong algorithm. And then we verify data integrity and authenticity with this, with the ESP SHA and MAC. Yeah, so this is it. So basically, the transform set is, as we said, how phase 2 protects the traffic. Yeah. Now we off to the access list. So access list 100 permit traffic from the source on this side is 192.168.20 0.0.0.255, and the destination is 192.168.10. Sorry, 0 255.255.255.0. No. No, my apologies. 0.0.0.255. Yeah, let me just expand this a bit. So this is telling us access list 100. We create and use an access list called named or called 100. Yeah. Permit, we allow traffic from this source, which is this like network, we can call it network or subnet. Not sure at this point of my journey, but this portion, this part, I'd say with this, not network, but I would call it subnet at this point. Yeah, to this destination. Okay, I think it's good. I think this is all. And yeah. Oh, where did I go wrong? Permit. Sorry, IP. Yeah, good. So next we have to do the crypto map, which we have done already on the other side, and is the following: crypto map IPsec map, then IPsec map is IPsec camp. Okay, set peer. This is the other one. This is the other side. 10.10.10.1. Right. Set proof of forward secrecy group. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Group 5. Yeah. Set security. Lifetime association. Lifetime security association lifetime seconds 86,400. Set transform set New York City LA match address 100 exit. Okay, so let me explain again this thing. So basically, crypto map is the VPN policy which puts everything together. Okay, so crypto, where is it? Here. So the crypto map, IPsec map 10, IPsec, IPsec. This is creates a, basically we create a VPN route number 10. This is the remote router where this is where I had a typo, set perfect word secrecy. So we say, listen, these are the fresh phase 2 keys, yeah, encryption keys. This is when we want them to get renovated, so every 24 hours. This is how traffic is encrypted, yeah, the transfer set, yeah, it's very important. And this is again the traffic which is encrypted, this one, yeah, the one we defined in the access list. Okay, good. Now we have to apply this to the right interface, yeah. So we want interface G00, and we say crypto map IPsec map. Okay, is on, exit, and copy, running config, startup config, yes, building. Okay, good. So again, we can go for show crypto map. Yeah, you can see all your things. You can do this. You can also the access list. Yeah, current peer. This is very useful. Show the map. I use everything, transfer set, interfaces, everything. Yeah. There are also other commands which we've seen before, which is show access list 100, but don't want to do this. Show running config section crypto and everything. Yeah. So now we have to understand if this is actually working. Yeah. How to do so? Let's go here. IPconfig, okay, ping 192.168.2.254. Let's see if we can reach at least the gateway, and then let's start pinging. Okay, let's see. The first one will fail. Yeah, the first one will absolutely fail 100%. But then after some time, some tries and time, they should be successful. IPconfig, okay, ping 192.168.1.254. Let's see if I can at least reach the router. Okay, 2.1. Okay, let's see. Okay, lost 4. Let's do this again. All right, as you can see, it's working. Yes, it's working. Let me just show you again everything, because I'm not cheating, I'm not doing stuff. So let me see. Okay, so IPconfig, all right, 2.1, yeah, and also here, okay, IPconfig, and this is this one, yeah. So let's ping each other, 192.168.2.1. Okay, and let's now ping the other one, the other side, 192.168.1.1. Okay, good. So we are this one, and we ping in this guy here. Yeah, this guy here. Let's see what I'm saying. And on the same time we do this. But you can tell me, yeah, but how do I know this traffic is actually encrypted? I'm gonna show you. So we go here on the router. We are on our R2, and we can do this. Show crypto IPsec SA. So idle, yeah. This is QM, not sure what QM stands for, but what is QM stands for what? I don't remember this. But anyway, it means that it's waiting for the traffic to be encrypted. As you, in fact, it says active. Yeah, good, very good. You can also do this. It is show crypto IPsec SA. This is very important. So let me tell you. With this one, with this command, we see the tunnel is active, right? Is active. With this command here, instead, we know how many packets are encrypted, decrypted, packets decapsulated, I guess, encapsulated, decapsulated, encrypted, decrypted. Yeah. So if we generate traffic and is encrypted, decrypted, encapsulated, decapsulated, so I mean the IPsec is actually working, this number should go up. So as you can see, is now 19. Yeah, is now 19, right? Let's generate some traffic. So again, is, as you can see, 19, yeah. Let's run this command again, and it's 23. Yeah, and again, it keeps on going up. Look, you see 27. So fantastic, is actually working. Yeah, we can do the same on this. Let me show you again. Also on this other router, enable was show crypto. Sorry, show crypto. What was that? IPsec SA. So it says idle. Good. All right. Active, meaning the tunnel is active and waiting for the traffic. Okay. And if I do IPsec SA, we see that we have 27 packets. Yeah, at the moment is 27. If I try to again create some traffic, again, let's start over. Yeah, if IP config, I am this. Let's ping the other side. 192.168.2.1. You see, we have traffic, and from 27, we should be able to see a bigger number. You see, 31. Okay, it keeps on going on. Yeah, let's just do this. And again, why 4? I guess it's because we have done 4 pings. You know, it goes up of 4. It was, as you can see here, was it 31? We've done 4 pings. I guess it's 4 packets, and so 35. I guess it's just my guess. But anyway, so this is all. This is all for this tutorial. For this video. Amazing. I had a lot of fun. It's been a few days, you know, getting into this, and I absolutely love how this thing works. I've loved how to understand how the whole phases, all the old steps, and the old things. Because doing this with the GUI is something. Doing it with the CLI is another animal. So thank you very much, everybody. Remember that in maybe next week I'm gonna post this video, probably on Tuesday. But anyway, I'm also collecting all the commands I'm doing in this series, and I'm gonna push them in my GitHub. Thank you very much again for watching this video. Love and peace to you all. See you next time. Bye bye.